Hello, welcome. Question 9a. One side of a rectangle is 3 centimeters shorter than the other. If each side is increased by 1 centimeter, the area of the rectangle increases by 18 centimeter. I think it will be 18 centimeters square. We have to find the side of what? The rectangle. So we need to know the size of the rectangle. So here we can just take an algebra, or let's make a sketch of that rectangle. We are saying that one side is what? 3 centimeters shorter. So if I let the shorter side be 3 centimeters, then the other side is going to be, make this side x. This is going to be x plus what? 3. So we can say that this is 3 centimeters shorter than this. We can also use the minus, which will also mean the same thing, but this side is 3 centimeters shorter than the other one. So it means that we can find the original area, right? Let me use the word original area, which is going to be the length times what? The breadth. So in this case, we have our x plus 3 times what? X. Let me just put the x there as the breadth. And that's all that we can do from here. Then, when the side are also increased again, let me just make this. This is going to be, will that be possible? Okay. I think this is what we have. We have increased this side by 1 meter. Then this side will also be increased by 1 meter, meaning it will become x plus 1 centimeter. Then x plus 3 plus 1. That will give you what? 4. Do we get that? So this become the new length. We need to find the new area. So the new area will also be length times breadth. Therefore, x plus 1 times what? X plus what? 4. I think we can expand in each case. If I expand here, I should just maintain. Okay, let me expand here to get x squared plus what? 3x. And in the case of this, x times x, x squared, 4x, 1 times x. And if you multiply, you get what? 4. This becomes x squared plus 5x plus what? 4. This is the bigger area, and this is the smaller area. So this area has been increased by what? 18 to get to this. Meaning, if I take away 18 from here, I should come back to original area. Or when I add the 18, which is the increment to this, that will give me the other side. So this implies that x squared plus 3x plus 18 should be giving me x squared plus 5x plus what? 4. Or the other way around, subtracting the 18 from here give me the original. So I can see that if I group like terms, x squared will be cancelling. Then I'll be left with only this, this, and this. So let's see. What will I do? Let me have 5x at the right, sending the 3x there, equals to 18 on the left, bringing in the 4 as what? Minus. I guess in the case of this, I should be having 2x equals to 14. Your x become 14 divided by what? 2. So x is nothing but what? 7. So if x is 7 here, then the other side is going to be 7 plus 3. So therefore, the side of the rectangles are going to be 7, are we having meters? Centimeters, right? 7 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So 3 plus this. Remember, you're looking for the side of it before it was increased. All right. I guess well understood. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 9b.